Let's learn to make the perfect rice for fried rice, or you can eat it with curries or stew, using 3 methods on the stovetop, in a rice cooker, and an Instant Pot. Can you guess which is which? Measure out your rice. Today I'm using 2 cups of parboiled rice. Next we'll rinse until the water runs clear. You are essentially rinsing out the starch to ensure that it stays grainy during the cooking process. Place a non-stick pot over your medium burner. Add 2 cups of water. High heat to bring it to a boil. Half teaspoon salt and make sure the pot has a tight fitting lid. Once it comes to a gentle boil, we'll add the rice in. A gentle stir, and we'll bring it to a boil. After 5 minutes, you'll see that the grains are on the top, or they appear on the top. Reduce the heat to low, or we'll move it to the smallest burner on your stove, or one of the smallest burners. Reduce the heat to the lowest, and cover. And allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. The time is now 2:50. I'll check again in maybe 3:05 p.m. Ensure that the lid is fitting very tightly around your pot and there's no steam escaping. For those of you who have a rice cooker but still struggle to make grainy rice, here's what you do. You add your washed rice to the rice cooker. Again, we're using 2 cups of rice. I'll leave the link to the specific brand on the blog. Whenever you see the ingredient, once you click on the ingredient, it will always take you to my recommended linked or recommended product for best results. I'll add 2 cups of water and half teaspoon salt. Some people also add oil or butter. You can try adding a tablespoon. Give it a gentle stir. I'll cook and cook. The time is now 2:54. I use the rice water to water my plants. I took a quick peek and this is at 15 minutes. If you like it really grainy like my sister, take it out at 15 minutes. Otherwise, turn it off at 20 minutes. It's fully cooked and soft. Very grainy. Has a chew to it. Let's move on to the Instant Pot. Add the rice, 2 cups. There's a little bit of water there, I'm going to drain it out, just so we'll have the proper measurement. 2 cups of rice, half teaspoon salt, 2 cups of water. And I really don't know how this one is going to turn out, but we will try until we get it right. Quick stir. Cover on and you line up the triangles. Then we select rice, which is 12 minutes, and say a prayer. 20 minutes, I'm going to turn off the stove. Off. I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 5, and then we'll check it. The time we put the pressure cooker on was 3:10. We'll see what time we take it out. The rice cooker stopped at 3:17, so that's about 22 minutes. 23 minutes. We'll see what it looks like in a couple of minutes. It's 3:19 and the Instant Pot is now getting ready to seal. Just sealed. That's how long it takes. Now it should take another 12 minutes. Let's see. 3:19. Now let's reveal the results. Rice cooker, stovetop. This is the stovetop. You fluff, and you can also place it on a sheet pan, a single layer, to cool immediately if you don't want it to continue cooking. It is perfection. If you wanted it to be more grainy, just take it out at the 15-minute mark, remove the cover, and place it on a sheet pan. I need to take a taste. I love rice. Yum. This is the rice cooker. It's a little fluffier. It's a little more well done than the stovetop, but still grainy. And will still be perfect for your fried rice. If you wanted it more grainy than this, just decrease the water, maybe by 1/4 cup. That's it. Perfect. I'll wait a couple minutes. I'm waiting for the Instant Pot rice to cook, and then I'll show that result to you. I'm doing a quick release because I have no idea what it looks inside. We'll see. Let's open it up. Wow, let's see what it looks like. And here is the result. There's a bit of residue at the top, but not too much. It seems even softer than the rice cooker. Still has moisture in it. So I would say to decrease this water by about 1/2 cup. I'll try again tomorrow. This would be perfect if you're eating curries or stews. Definitely a good option, quick option. It finished at 3:30. Much softer. Yep. And that's it. Which one are you willing to try? And which result did you like the best? Definitely release the steam immediately. It does not give you a quicker option for the rice. It's set at default at 12 minutes. So you can override that on another setting. Here are the results on the stovetop, in the rice cooker, and in the Instant Pot. I can't tell you which is best for you. You have to decide that for yourself, whether you like it very grainy, medium, or soft. Please check the blog for more tips, storing suggestions, and recipe ideas using this rice. After sitting out for a bit, let's check the graininess.